Let's learn how to use second derivatives to figure out if we have a local minimum or local maximum, or neither. Let's work with the function x squared minus y squared. That is the chart here. The first derivative in terms of x is 2x, and the first derivative in respect of y is minus 2y. Therefore, there is only one critical point that you have to analyze, is where x equals 0 and y equals 0. Now, let's calculate fxx. That's the second derivative in terms of x, that is equal to. And let's calculate fyy, that is minus 2. And let's calculate fxy, that's the same of fyx. And this cross derivative is equal 0. Therefore, fxy is equal 0, and the fxx times fyy, it is 2 times minus 2. That means it is minus 4. We got d minus 4. That means if d is smaller than 0, then fab is not a local maximum or minimum. That means f00 is not a minimum or maximum. And you can see this in the chart. See that here is x0 and here is y0. And you will see that this is not the minimum, neither the maximum value. We see here as well, when x equals 0 and y equals 0, this function is 0. And 0 is neither minimum, neither maximum. It's important to note that this determinant has to be positive for the critical point to be a local minimum or local maximum. See that if d is above 0 and the second derivative is above 0, then the critical point is a local minimum. And if d is above 0 and the second derivative in respect of x is below 0, then the critical point is a local maximum.